Hello, good afternoon. You're watching Market Fatafat on ET now. I'm Vinny Motiwala, with me Cheryl D'Souza as well. Cheryl, a very good afternoon to you. But Nifty, bit of a subduedness is what we've seen. Sharper fall. Now slight bit of an uptick is what it's seeing. But trading in the red right now.
Absolutely, Vinny. Very good afternoon to you. Not a great afternoon coming in for Nifty Bank in particular, because you have the Nifty Bank that's underperforming the benchmark indices in trade today, as well as the broader market. Sharper cut coming in for the broader markets as well. 1% downtick coming for mid-cap index, while the Nifty is trying to hold on, showing some sort of a resilience. But hopefully, let's see if it is able to do that in the next 2 hours of trading session.
Absolutely, and obviously what we're seeing as a drag coming in also is on the Nifty Bank side. We have the banks that is following, so ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, SBI, all of them down and out in trade. But on that note, let's get started with the stocks that have been buzzing in trade on the back of news flows and technicals. And on the technicals, we're joined by Osho Krishan, while from the research team, we have Snehi as well as Jinay joining in with us. A very good afternoon to all three of y'all. I'll be starting with the first stock that's in focus today. Let's pull up Wellsman speciality that was managing to hold on a good gains, and the reason is that they've secured an order of around 117 crores. This is for supply of seamless stainless steel boiler tubes. Now, what they came in a press release yesterday, they said that this is an order for NTPC's 2 into 660 megawatt, so 2 orders of 660 megawatt of super critical thermal power projects, and this is the contract prices of 117.7 crores and expected to be executed by December 2024. That's the end of this year. So keeping an eye out on Wellsman Speciality Solutions, surely in focus today, trading with gains of more than 5% as of now.
All right, let's move on and let's talk about all the brokerage counters. All of them are under pressure in trade today. Talk about Angel One, ICICI Securities, all of them down and out in trade today. You have SEBI that on Monday asked the Market Infrastructure Institution to levy a uniform charge from October 1 without any discounts based on trading volumes. This in order to curb the frenzy that we are actually seeing in the derivatives market. Remember, the exchanges often charge lower fee to brokers if they generate high volumes, contributing to the surge in the trading across segments like derivatives. So on back of this, you have Angel One that's down 8%, 5 Paisa Capital is down, as well as SMC Global, and all the other brokerage counters are down as well in trade today. So on back of that, keep an eye on all of these counters.
Absolutely keeping an eye out on that, but let's move on and talk about Arti Industries on the charts then. And Osho, good afternoon. When you're looking at Arti Industries, last 6 months, nothing sort of exciting that's coming in terms of an up move that we could expect from this one. What is the word now on the technicals for Arti Industries at 711? Is it a buy?
Firstly, very good afternoon to all of you. Well, now coming to the technical view of Arti Industry, then in the last 5 to 6 trading sessions, the counter has seen a consolidation or corrective phase, but overall on the daily time frame it is on the verge of giving a cup and handle kind of a pattern breakout. So any decisive upsurge beyond the zone of 720 can confirm a very strong up move in this counter of approximately 100-120 odd points. So I am expecting a target of nearly 840 to 850 from short-term perspective in Arti Industry. So this counter is definitely a buy, and one should try to gauge momentum from short to medium term time frame.
Okay, surely keeping an eye out on that. Definitely a buy right now. But let's move on, talk about DCX Systems then. And Snehi, why is this in focus?
This stock is in focus, and it's at its 52-week high as well. The company has received a purchase order from L&T valued at 1,250 crores plus applicable taxes. It involves the manufacture and supply of electronic modules, and the company has been tasked with executing the order within a 3-year time frame. The stock was as high as 16% today. As of now, also 13.5% higher is where the stock is.
On DCX system, let's move on to the next one. And Osho, you've picked out an IT company, Beras. You've spoken about this before as well, but now seems like IT has been trending in the last couple of days. Again, that up move has started on the charts. What's the word for Beras? Last 6 months, 3% return. It came down in the last couple of months. So now again, is it a buy?
See, overall, as you have mentioned, that major of the heavyweights and mid-cap IT companies have started gaining traction lately in the last 2 to 3 trading weeks. So Birlasoft again has seen a very strong technical setup. After a very long time, it has emerged above 200-day SMA, and finally the short-term moving average is showcasing a positive crossover. So I'm expecting that from here onwards, there can be a decent traction seen in this counter, approximately 760, 770 is the immediate target for short term. Once it breaches the zone of 780, then we might see a decisive up move. But for the short term perspective, 760 to 770 is the target that one can eye for in Birlasoft.
There for Birlasoft, but let's move on and just shift the focus just a bit in terms of the railway budget. And from our Amrit Bharat train for the masses to running Vande Bharat sleeper trains, the railway ministry is eyeing a massive transformation in the passenger segment with a higher outlay for the sector. Now, sources say that the roadmap will be a part of the upcoming railway budget. Sameer Dikshit is joining in with us. Sameer, what's the latest update that we have on this front?
Sources have confirmed that government is going to continue its focus on the massive upgradation and the expansion of infrastructure, and in the same direction we will see a higher budgetary allocation for the railways as well. Around 25 to 30% higher budgetary allocation year-on-year basis that we can expect from the government. Announcement might be there in the upcoming budget, and this means that for FY 2024-25 the budgetary allocation for railways will be somewhere close to 2.95 lakh crore to 3 lakh crore. And the higher budgetary allocation means that railways is looking for a massive transformation in the passenger side as well as when it comes to the digital service side. When we talk about the passenger side, Amrit Bharat train, popularly known as Jan Sadharan train, railway plans to roll out 250 Amrit Bharat train that have general class and the sleeper class coaches in next 5 to 7 years. For this year itself, railway has set a target to roll out 25 Amrit Bharat train, and not just Jan Sadharan train but also a clear focus on Vande Bharat train as well. For the first time, the sleeper version of Vande Bharat train will be out on tracks. The trial is likely to begin by 15th of August this year. Railway targets to roll out around 6 Vande Bharat sleeper train on long route journey, whether it be Delhi, Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai or Chennai, Havra. So in addition to Vande sleeper train, Railway is also looking to roll out around 8 to 10 Vande metro train that will provide intercity connectivity somewhere around 150 kilometers of running that will be done through the Vande metro trains. For example, route like Delhi, Dehradun. So that is what Railways is looking at. So apart from passenger side, Railway is also likely to come up with a super app, the IRCTC super app, and with this super app, Railway is planning to attract new customers in the freight side, especially in the parcel segment, the e-commerce entities like Amazon and Flipkart. Railways is looking to infuse to enhance the investment in Concor, the Container Corporation of India. So with the increased investment, Railways is also looking to provide more wagons to Concor that will help to increase the freight basket. So that's a larger plan that Railways has. But in addition to all this, the clear focus on Kavach, the safety mechanism will also be there. And for the same, the higher budgetary allocation for the safety will be done for the FY 2024-25, and Railway targets to cover 4,500 kilometers of rail route network through the Kavach system. So that's what we can expect from the upcoming railway budget.
All right, thank you so much for that, Sameer. Definitely lots to watch out for in the upcoming budget, and definitely railway segment is one that one should be watching out for closely. But on that note, we slip into a break. When we come back, more stocks to discuss. Don't go anywhere.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.